Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect a USB microphone with Audacity and get it properly configured for recording. So let's jump right in. Before we dive into the software settings, there's one important thing you need to do first. Make sure your USB microphone is already plugged into your computer. This is crucial because your system needs to detect the microphone before we can select it in any of the settings. So go ahead and connect your USB microphone to an available USB port and give your computer a moment to recognize the device. Once your microphone is connected, head over to the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll see the speaker icon in your system tray. Right-click on this speaker icon and from the menu that appears, select Open Sound Settings. This will bring up your system's audio configuration window where you can manage all your input and output devices. Now, in the sound settings window, look for the section labeled Input. This is where your computer manages all microphone and recording devices. Directly below the input label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll see a list of all available recording devices currently connected to your computer. From this list, select your USB microphone. This ensures that Windows recognizes your microphone as the primary input device, which is essential for proper communication with Audacity. With your system settings configured, it's time to open your Audacity application. Once Audacity launches, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll see an option called Audio Setup. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various audio configuration options. From the Audio Setup drop-down, hover your mouse over the option that says Recording Device. This will expand another menu showing all available microphones that Audacity can use for recording. Click on your preferred USB microphone from this list. This step tells Audacity exactly which device to use when you hit the record button. Now we need to configure one more important setting to optimize your recording. Click on Audio Setup again in the top toolbar. This time, hover your mouse over the option labeled Recording Channels. You'll see different channel configuration options appear. Select one mono recording channel from the list. This setting is particularly important if you're only using one USB microphone because it prevents Audacity from creating an unnecessary stereo track. Recording in mono with a single microphone keeps your project cleaner and more efficient. And there you have it, your USB microphone is now properly connected and configured with Audacity, ready for high-quality audio recording. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.